lovely people, welcome back. This is Amla here with you. Today I'll show you guys how to create this beautiful and easy pull-through braid. It looks a lot bigger and fuller. But before that, hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you don't miss any upload. Let's begin doing this chunky pull-through braid. All you need for this hairstyle is a hairbrush and few elastics. All you need to do for this is take all your hair to one side and take an elastic and secure it into a ponytail. Once that is done, divide your hair into two equal sections. Let's say the one on my right hand is section 1 and on the left hand is section 2. Now take section 1 and secure it with an elastic few inches down the ponytail. Now make a loop between the ponytail and the first elastic, like this, and then pull the section 2 through the loop. Again, we are going to do the same thing to section 2. Secure it with an elastic few inches down the ponytail. And split the bubble and pull through the first section. Now go back and fasten the elastic tight and secure. And you're basically going to continue doing the same till the end. It might sound difficult, but it is not so. I think you've got the basic idea of doing this braid. I'll show you guys one more time how to do this. First step is to secure an elastic few inches below the previous elastic. Second step is to split open the bubble and pull through the other section. Third step is to go back and secure that elastic, fasten it tight. Do the same thing till the end of the braid. If you have layers like mine, then use hairspray to set them in place. I'm doing the last pull through of this braid. You're almost done, guys. That's pretty much it.
There's some strange evolutionary process going on.
This is how the braid looks once you're done. But we are not done yet.
You and I are working here today.
Go back and stretch out each strand of the braid like this to make it look bigger and a lot fuller. Hold the braid in one hand and gently pull out each loop. This is the final look, guys. Easy and voluminous pull-through braid. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If so, give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends. Also hit the subscribe button for more cute and beautiful hair tutorials. I'll see you guys with the next interesting video. Until then, bye bye.